Hello all, Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. In this video, you will be able to learn how to trace the Hindi letter Ch, the second consonant of Ch family. So this is Ch, and also the words which start with the letter Ch, and a interesting tip on your brain development. So let's get into the video of tracing the letter Ch. So how do we write our number 3? Like this, right? So we are going to write the opposite side like the gha, the second gha. So you have to write the opposite 3, extend it to make a loop, a circle kind of thing. And then from here, draw a small standing line and a sleeping line running across it. This is cha. Cha. You have to give a pressure to the cha, that is cha. Yes. Now let's do it again. An opposite 3, extended one with a loop, a standing line, a short one, connecting to it, a sleeping line. So this is Hindi letter cha. Let's do it one more time. Opposite 3 with an extended loop, above it a short standing line and a sleeping line running across it. So this is Hindi letter Cha, the second letter Cha. Yes, now we will see the different words which start with the letter Cha. So Cha se chhata. Chhata is the umbrella. Yes, Cha se chhata. The next one, Cha se chota. Chota means small. Cha se chota. And the next one is Cha se chadi. Chadi is the stick. The dadus will be taking it for the support to walk. This is Cha se chadi. So what are the 3 words? Cha se chhata, Cha se chota, Cha se chadi. So these are the different words which start with the letter Cha. Hope you liked it. And now we will see the tip of the day. That is, you have to work more with your hands if you want your brain to be active. So what are the benefits you get when you use more of your hands? It boosts the memory. It develops the memory. And for the kids also, parents, even this tip, the brain tips will be useful even for the parents also. So you can use it for both of you. And coming back to this, it boosts some memory and creativity. And then the hand-brain coordination, which is very important for the kids. So this increases, and then it calms our mind. It will be, the brain is controlled. It is concentrating on one place and it calms our mind. And also it activates the circuits what are running in the brain. And on a whole, in a simple note, it's just your brain is super active and concentratedly, focusedly working on whatever they are doing. So this is what you have to do. Very simple. Use your hands more and make use of your child. Make your child also uses his or her hands more to be active in their work, whatever they are doing with. So this is the tip, and hope this tip helps you. Keep sharing and liking and subscribing our channel for more videos and more tips. Thank you so much. Let me meet you in the next video with the next letter. Namaste.